So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can apply for credit card through Paytm application. So for this, first of all open your Paytm application and then scroll down your page, and friends, here you will get to see option of all services. Simply tap on this option and here tap on loan and credit card option, and here you will get to see card carnival. Simply tap on this card carnival option, and after our new page will be open this kind of. Simply friends, scroll down your page and here tap on view all option. So as you tap on view all option, you will get to see option of get started. Simply tap on get started option, and in this page you have to fill your PAN card, email ID and current address pin code, and then select your occupation type, and then tap on continue option. And guys, as you tap on continue option, if you are eligible for credit card, then all the available credit card according to your credit score will be shown, and after then you can select your favorite credit card. And also friends, read all the terms and conditions of all companies to choose the best and suitable card for you. And if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like it, subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.